Okay, hi guys. This is Robson, and this is my Lego seat belt. Yeah, the seat belt locks. And check this out. Put this in. Wait. It's locked. It's locked. Look. Press this. Unlocked. Yeah. It's pretty cool, huh? I never seen anybody make any seat belt lock before, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the mechanism. Wait a sec. Okay, yeah, this is the mechanism. Then you can't really see it, right? Yeah, but I'm just trying to get a place where you can see it. Now, do you see it? Yeah, I guess so. And look, here's the lock. When this goes in, see what happens. Yeah, it locks because of the hole there. And when you unlock it, you just simply pushing this thing here like that. Yeah, never mind, I'll use this. Yeah, look, it's unlocked. But you might think, how would it pop out? Look at this. Yeah, it's pretty hard for you to show. Yeah, so wait a second. Okay, it's done. You can see this. When I push it, wait. When I use something to push it, just like that. Oh, there's rubber band. It uses a lot of rubber band. So when the thing goes in, hey, wait, I think there's something wrong. Okay, done. So when you put it in, oops. Yeah, you put it in, it locks, unlocks. Look at this rubber band here. Here. Now did you get it? Okay, so thanks for watching and bye.